about graphs and data, and then we're gonna work a little bit on an activity that goes along with it. So I want you to listen carefully. The book is called What Do You Like?
What do you like? Where to have the party? The children have 3 ideas. They could have the party at one of their apartments. They could have the party at the courtyard between the apartment buildings. They could also have it at the park.
Okay, so what are the 3 choices of where they can have the party? Tabby?
At the park.
At the park. Okay, where else? Bryce?
At one of their apartments.
Okay. Or, Adriana?
Between the courtyard and
Right, the courtyard between the apartments. So they already have choices, right? How do you think that they're going to decide which one they should do? Theron?
they would vote.
Probably vote. That's a good thought. Let's see what they do.
Clancy lists the 3 choices. They will vote to decide. The children write their names on a sheet of paper. They vote for the best place to have the block party.
So, did anyone vote for apartment?
No.
Okay, how many people voted for the courtyard?
3.
And how many for the park?
1.
So which one do you think would be the winner?
Courtyard.
Let's see what they say.
The votes are in. Most of the children picked the courtyard. There will be lots of room to play. The party will be close to all the neighbors, too. Chapter 2. What should we do at the party? Next, they will decide what kind of food to have at the party. Should they have popcorn? What about pretzels? How about sliced apples or carrots? Sophie thinks string cheese would be good.
Now they have lots of options to pick, right?
Yeah.
Jesse writes the ideas on his paper. Everyone votes for a favorite food. Jesse makes tally marks on his tally table to record the votes. What would the neighbors like to eat? They will ask some of the neighbors. Then they will add this data to the table.
So by asking some of the neighbors what they like, it might even be different choices than what they listed a minute ago, right?
Yeah.
So let's see what they got on their chart.
Food for the summer block party. Popcorn, 2. Pretzels, 1. Carrots, 1. Cheese, 3. Apples, 2.
Okay, so looking at these little marks, do you remember what they call these?
Tally mark.
Tally marks, very good.
A treasure.
Treasure hunt is where you actually hunt for things.
Yeah, like you go on a treasure hunt to find treasure.
Let's see what they decided to
Ruben
do.
makes a list of game ideas. The children vote for their favorite games. He records this data on his grid paper. He makes a bar graph. They vote to play musical chairs.
Okay, what kind of graph was this called?
Bar graph.
A bar graph. What were some of their choices? Raise your hand if you know. Cassidy? Musical chairs. Aubrey?
Freeze tag.
What was the last choice, Ella?
Treasure hunt.
Okay, tell me which choice won. Hunter? Musical chairs, very good. Which one had the least amount of votes? Brooklyn? Two stack. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. I'm gonna go back. This question is what you're going to answer, only not about the party. It says, what do you like? I wanna know, what is your favorite kind of ice cream? What ice cream do you like. So if you like chocolate, that's your favorite. That's the one you would eat if you had the choice between strawberry and vanilla and chocolate. If you like chocolate, I would like for you to raise your hand. And remember, I want you to only vote once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many chocolate am I going to put up?
7.
4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, if strawberry is your favorite, oh wait, let's do vanilla. If vanilla is your favorite, raise your hand. Vanilla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is yours up, Levi? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now if strawberry is your favorite, raise your hand up high so I know who you are. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, looking at this chart, who has the most?
Vanilla.
Vanilla has the most votes. Okay, which one has the least amount of votes? Strawberry. Okay, I'm going to give you a stick in your group that you were in, and you're going to read the question and you're going to discuss it with your group. So if I give you the question, how many students answered, you are going to turn to your group members and you are going to discuss how to figure that out. And then when you come back to answer to me, I want you to be able to tell me how you figured out the answer. How would you figure out how many students answered? And you're going to tell me. So not only are you going to give me an answer, you're going to tell me how you got that answer by looking at the graph. So pick a stick, Cassidy. Pick a stick, Lila. Pick a stick, Chance. Pick a stick, Aubrey. And then 2 flavors with the same amount. No. Well, how can you tell me that there are not 2 with the same amount?
Because vanilla's got 2 and strawberry's got 2 and chocolate's got 7.
Okay, good job. Hunter. Which flavor has the most?
Vanilla.
How do you know?
Well, vanilla got 10 and chocolate got 7 and strawberry got 2.
Okay, so still, is 10 a bigger number than 7?
Yes.
And is 10 a bigger number than 2?
Yes.
Okay. Chance, read your question, Kim.
Which flavor has the fewest?
Which flavor has the fewest?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Can you tell me why? And 2. Good. Aubrey, read your question.
Did more second graders
Can you read it? Did more second graders choose chocolate or strawberry?
chocolate. But if they had vanilla, then vanilla would be. But it's chocolate because 7's bigger than 2.
Correct. And you added that vanilla in there. If that would have been part of your question, it would have changed the answer, wouldn't it? Okay, Levi, let me read your question. Who has it? Bailey has it. How many students answered?
22. 19.
Okay. And how do you know?
Because we counted the ice creams and we got 19 ice creams.
Okay, so you could have just counted each one, right? What is another way? Aubrey?
You could do 7 plus 10 plus 7 equals 17 plus 2 equals 19.
Nice job. Okay, everyone give yourselves a big pat on the back. You did a great job. take your sticks. Okay, we're all.